What's up, guys?
This is a good one. Is it? Yeah. We're going to Long Beach today. We're going to go see fishies and furniture.
We're going to the Restoration Hardware outlet, and I'm trying to buy a desk because this is my current office situation. I just have stuff set up on top of a dresser. So we're gonna move this bedroom furniture upstairs and hoping to get a nice desk for a good price at the Restoration Hardware outlet, but we'll see. We're going to Long Beach, so it's a long drive. Ready, guys? That's the crew. What's up, Lou? What up? What's up, Denise?
What up?
Hi, Ale. Are you excited? We made it to Long Beach. Yeah, yeah. Are you excited?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Mommy, mommy. Hi, my baby.
You sing anything you like here?
Yeah, I think this is perfect for the office actually. Right, baby?
Let me see, let me check it out.
Babe, I saw this with you in mind. Look, it's your colors.
I think we're gonna hold off on this couch. Babe, any desks you like? Okay, bye, Ale.
Wanna go back?
You leaving? Yeah, that looks nice. That's what we need in the office, Mom. That'd be cool to have in there so Ale can just chill while we're working. Are you still awake, Ale? You ready?
It's been so good today. We took her along with us furniture shopping all day long. She's been so good. And now we're doing something fun for her. We're taking her to the aquarium for the first time.
Thank you.
Ale, you excited to see the fishies?
I got a desk.
Oh.
Can we tell them? I got a desk and a couch. We found pretty good deals.
Excited about your desk, aren't you?
You're excited about your couch? We didn't buy that gray couch, but we got a desk and a couch. All right, aquarium time. What's your drink?
Wow, Ale!
All right. Well, we got here a little late, and it's her nap time. Wow. Jerry's in the house. What up?
Yo.
Nice stroller, man.
Nah, I know.
Nice stroller.
Grown man status.
He doesn't even have kids yet, but he's pushing the stroller around.
This is the Manny stroller.
The Manny stroller.
The Manny stroller right here.
He's actually a really dope artist, but you don't even get paid.
I don't even get paid for this.
I know.
This is just I gotta tag along.
Yeah, Jerry's babysitting right now.
Look, come say hi.
This little one. Oh, say hi.
Hi.
Oh, that's cute. You wanna do Baby Shark?
Say hi, G.
Hi, G.
And then say hi, Ale.
Hi, Aya.
Oh.
And then hi, Jessie.
Hi, Jessie.
Can you do Baby Shark? I'll sing with you. 1, 2. Baby Shark, do 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 do. Baby Shark, Baby Shark, do 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 do. You wanna sing too? Do 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 do. Yeah.
She's gonna do it.
tropical fish. These tropical fish are here in the tank to make sure that they do not, that the tank stays.
She just meows at everything now.
Meow. Meow.
The blue sky drains.
Don't drink it.
Shark in there.
Jess, that's your shark. This one's coming right here.
What is this? I got it.